Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to host your website on Google Workspace in just 5 minutes. Imagine having your online presence ready for the world in such a short span of time. Let's jump into it and make this happen smoothly, step by step. First, head over to Google Workspace, the suite that offers everything you might need for business productivity. Once there, find and click on the Admin Console. This is the nerve center for managing your business's digital needs. Next, enter your business email to log in. It's important to use your business email address linked to your Google Workspace account to ensure you have the right permissions to proceed. After successfully logging in, move your pointer to the top right corner of the screen and look for the Google Apps menu. Click on it to reveal a range of handy tools. Among these, you'll find the admin icon. Click on that too. You're essentially opening up the toolkit you'll use to configure and host your site. Once inside the admin section, your next stop is Sites. Clicking on this option will take you closer to creating your actual website. Here, you'll see a big plus icon. Clicking this icon allows you to start from scratch. Alternatively, if you prefer a little assistance or a preset outline, feel free to select a template that best suits your needs. Templates can be incredibly helpful, as they offer a structured starting point, saving you the effort of beginning with a blank page. Once you have your template or blank site open, it's time to add content. Think about what you want your visitors to see and how you'd like them to navigate your site. This is your chance to shine. You can include text, images, videos, and other multimedia elements to bring your vision to life. It's important to engage your audience with relevant and appealing content. After adding all your content, it's time to publish. Click on the Publish button, but hold on, you're not done yet. You'll need to decide on a web address. This is what people will type in their browsers to find your site. Choose something that's easy to remember and relevant. Finally, after typing in your website address, click Publish one more time. Just like that, your website is live. You've taken your business online in just a matter of minutes, using the robust features of Google Workspace. Congratulations! Now, anyone with internet access can visit your website. We hope this guide has been helpful and made the process as seamless and straightforward as possible. Keep exploring the tools Google Workspace offers and refine your site to better fit your vision and the needs of your visitors.